doesn't matter. So condensed glue gels. And then we're going to apply one good layer. So when you're doing a diamond dust pixie, I haven't done it, the diamond dust pixie on the top of this. So we'll see how it's going to cool it turn out. I know that the ABs go with everything, every single color. All right, good layer. Not too thick, not too thin, and no white top coat. Looks even really good by itself.
Hey Judy, so the subscription box is $29.99 a month, and you can cancel anytime.
No obligation. But this one of the really cool about the Glitz Sub Box is not only it's just some products, a lot of value products that we are sharing it. This was something for a lot of us. Love to have so many inventory, so many products for is upcoming months, so then you will not have to be worried and overwhelmed about what you're going to create, what you're gonna do, and how to use your subscription box and how you can able to utilize it in such a small investment, but you get so much value out of it, and then a lot of tutorials fun as well with us. So I'm so excited, and like this is is it the ears?
Yeah.
Look like the ears.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna leave this one alone.
Yeah, it's cute.
I'll just leave one like that.
And Donna from YouTube. So as far as pricing go, it depends on how many technique you have on it and how many product you have used on it. So say if you just do transfer foil only, you can put the transfer foil on some top coat, and you can charge an extra $5 per nail, or maybe £5 where you're from. But yes, depend on how many product you have, how much crystal and everything else, and how long does it take you. Make sure to check that all, and make sure you let the customer know so there's no surprise.
Oh, hi Nico from Facebook. Thanks so much for tuning in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle it. Oh, it looks cool though. I always fascinating doing this on the top of the foil.
Those look like it's just a galaxy.
It is cool. Hey, but if you don't want it, don't do it.
Alright, so we do it for you so you can see if you like it. You like it, follow us. And you don't have to apply it. Think of us as your guinea pig. We test out all the product, all the crazy design. Follow what you like, drop what you don't.
But you see that you can still see the Mickey right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's
So,
fancier.
You know what? Mickey in space.
Mickey, like Mickey in March.
I like the Milky Way. It's super shiny.
You know, every single design that I do, you can stop at any point. Like earlier, I don't know. I like it. It's different than a lot of
very
things.
different.
Okay, here.